Hello, welcome to Chadani Solutions. So for today's video, for the beginners, let's learn how to use the transform section here, transform tool in Illustrator. So, I have here a rectangular shape. So what I'm going to do, or what I'm going to do is to put another shape here, and then let's see. So I want to duplicate this one. So we have here one layer. So to duplicate, just hit Alt. As you can see, the double arrow. So just drag it. Hold the Alt so that it will not, it will be aligned. So, and then release. So, for example, you want to change the width of this one. What you're going to do is to go to transform. So first you need to select this one, this section here. So you can see you can select anywhere here, but the best thing, if you want to change the width here, you are going to select this side, because that means that you are changing the width from this to this, to the right, up to the right. So let's see, let's check. So first, if you only want to change the width, you are going to unlink that one, because if it links, then it will change the height also. So let's try to change the width to 25. So as you can see, the height is not changing, but if you link that one, if we change the, let's go back. So if we link that one and we change to 25, enter. As you can see, the height also changes. So we need to Control Z. We need to unlink that one so that it will change only the width of this section. Okay. So again, first click this section here at the center, and then unlink, then change to 25. So that's it. So what if you want to change the height going up? The height going up, not going down. So what you're going to do is to click this one. So you need to click this, the bottom, center bottom, this one, because you are going to change the height going up. So it will be extended here. Okay. So, change it to 25. So, see, Control Z. If you are going to click this section, this one, you are changing the height from this up, it will extend to this. So, height, so 25. Okay, see? So that's how the transform works. So how about this section here? So again, if you point it here at the center, the direction will be going down. If you point here at the bottom, the direction will be going up. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.